Mic check, 1, 2. My radio. Hello everyone, welcome to the My Radio episode 9. And I'm Jackson. Today I would like to talk about what I study in the university. I'm a engineering student and I'm now studying the mechanical engineering, and I am now a year 3 student. So today's episode, I will introduce you what I study in the as a mechanical engineering student. Today I will not deep dive into the specific subject, what topics I learn, because I know you guys, not all of you have the engineering background, or some of you guys studying other subjects. So I would just touch the surface, and today it was just an overview of my studies. So the year for my curriculum, year 1 is a common year where every engineering students have to take common courses like maths, some introductory courses, just to let you know what your interest, just to let you find your interest and pick your major at the end of the year. So I picked mechanical engineering, and so today I would talk about what courses I have taken in year 2, because year 1 was just a common courses. So there's not much to share if you want to know more about mechanical engineering. So let's start with year 2 courses. There are many of them. Those are related to mechanical engineering. I think there should be about 6 to 7 courses in total in year 2. Today I will talk about 3, and for the rest of them I may share to you in the future episode. I'm not sure whether it will be the next one, but in the future I will cover that. Okay, 3 courses. The first one is about material, or to be accurate, what I studied in this course is understand the properties of the material. So what are material? So if I remembered, I learned something about the alloys, or metal, plastics. Those terms are a very general, or not a very general term. But if you assume you are an engineering student, you know something about it. And I study alloys, polymers, something like that. And other than that, I learned the structure of the material. So we deep dive into the microstructure, into the molecules perspective. So how those molecules, I mean is how what I mean is how does the particular structure affect the the properties of the material. What I mean the properties, they could be strength, you know, what else? What else? What else? Fracture toughness, stiffness, ductility, lots of stuff. So for those who don't know what this term is, just think of it as how hard you need to apply the force in order to break it down, or how soft it is, or the ability of that structure to withstand different cracks, different different situations, something like that. So this course is contains lots of concepts. So the calculation part is not that I can't say important, but the most of the part in this course are concept based rather than calculation based. So it was a tough course. So the next one is mechanics. So if we compare this course to the material course, it is easier to me because in this course there are not as much concept as the one in the material course. So in this course there are many calculations, but as long as you know how to use that formula, how to read the questions, you're good to go. Good grades very easily. So what exactly did I learn from this course? So there are two parts. The first part is statics, and the second part will be kinematics. So statics, as you know, something that does not move, and we will need to calculate the force, different kinds of force. Just like that. So what I mean a different kind of force, we have tensile strength, tension, compression. We have shear force. We have torsion. Many kinds of forces, and we have different kinds of formula to calculate them. So easy just for now, because in the year 3, year 4 courses it will be tough for sure. So the second part will be kinematics, will be something about something that is moving. For example, we can calculate the velocity of a vehicle or a rocket. What's the speed, how fast does the rocket need in order to travel a particular orbit. So something like that, something that is moving. And that's what I learned from the kinematics. So it's pretty easy compared to material course. I want to share with you guys one more course I learned in year 2, but if I talk one more, it will be too long for today's show. So why don't we wait until the future episode, and I will talk about more I studied in the university as a mechanical engineering student. So that's it for today. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel on both YouTube and Instagram, go click it. And that's it for today. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.